Filmora versus OpenShot. Which free video editor wins? Choosing the right free video editor can completely change how you create stunning videos without complicated software. Filmora offers user-friendly tools, while OpenShot focuses on open source flexibility. Filmora and OpenShot are popular free video editors, but they differ in approach. Filmora provides an intuitive, polished interface with built-in effects, ideal for quick editing. OpenShot is open source and highly customizable, favored by users who want more control over their projects. Filmora is a free video editing software designed for ease of use, making it accessible for beginners and casual creators. It offers a drag-and-drop interface with a wide range of built-in transitions, filters, and effects that streamline the editing process. Filmora supports multiple video formats and provides tools like audio editing, text overlays, and color correction. Its strength lies in delivering professional-looking results quickly without a steep learning curve. However, the free version adds a watermark to exports and limits some advanced features, which may be a drawback for serious editors. Filmora works best for users who want to produce polished videos efficiently, such as content creators, social media users, and hobbyists who prioritize simplicity and visual appeal. OpenShot is a free, open-source video editor that emphasizes flexibility and customization. It supports a wide range of video, audio, and image formats, allowing users to work with diverse media types. OpenShot provides key editing features like trimming, scaling, keyframe animation, and unlimited tracks, catering to users who want detailed control over their projects. Its open source nature means it is continuously improved by a community of developers, but the interface can feel less polished and sometimes less stable compared to commercial software. OpenShot is ideal for those comfortable with a steeper learning curve and who need deeper customization without cost. It suits hobbyists, educators, and developers who prefer open source tools and are willing to invest time learning the software's capabilities. Filmora and OpenShot both offer strong free video editing options, but their strengths serve different needs. Filmora excels in user experience with ready-made effects and a clean interface, perfect for quick projects and social media content. However, the watermark in the free version limits professional use. OpenShot offers more customization and no watermarks, but its interface can be less intuitive and occasionally unstable, requiring patience. For a YouTuber needing fast, polished videos, Filmora is a strong choice. For an educator or open source enthusiast wanting full control and no restrictions, OpenShot fits better. The trade-off is between ease of use and customization freedom. Choose Filmora if you want a straightforward, visually appealing editor that speeds up video creation, especially for social media and casual content. Opt for OpenShot if you prefer an open source tool with extensive customization and no watermarks, ideal for users who value control over simplicity. Both editors are excellent free choices, so select based on your editing style and project needs.